Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix Apple Store billing problem in your iPhone. You have to follow some steps to fix that issue in easy way. So simply you have to just go to settings and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. And after that, just simply you have to just go to settings again and just find a screen time. Just tap on a screen time and just scroll down and just find a content and privacy restriction. Just tap on that, and just after that just simply you have to just tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Just tap on that and you show there's a three options. In the third option is that in app purchases. Just tap on that and you have to select and allow. Just tap on the allow and your problem gonna fix after that settings. So that's the video. You have to make sure that you have to follow some steps to fix the issue. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.